everybody, this is FitEx, increasing your fruits and vegetables in your steps. Today we're going to make Mary's Amazing Kale Salad. Kale is excellent for you for vitamin A, for vitamin C, increased fiber, and kale is dark green, and what we really want to do in our diet is to increase the color and the variety of foods that we consume, especially our dark green. The more color on your plate, the more nutrients that you're consuming. We're going to start with Mary's Amazing Kale Salad dressing. We are using olive oil, and this is about a half a cup. We're using apple vinegar, a half a cup, about that. Also balsamic vinegar as well, a couple of tablespoons. We have 3 tablespoons of your maple syrup. Again, notice that we're not using table sugar, but actually maple syrup. If you don't have maple syrup, maybe even just your local honey would be great. A little bit of garlic. This is to your taste. Right now I'm putting in 1 clove. If you like a lot of garlic, then you can put a little bit more than that. We want some additional acidity and spunk of fresh lemons, about a tablespoon. We want a little bit of flavor of our Dijon mustard, a little touch of basil, and of course, salt and pepper to taste. I'm using just a regular mason jar here, or that you can find around your house. I want a secure lid because I really want to make sure this Mary's Amazing Salad dressing gets mixed well. So we're going to. When you're buying kale from the store, they'll come in big leaves like this, and then it has a nice sturdy stem. The stem is kind of bitter and tough, so I always tell folks to pull their kale away from the stem, and you want to wash your kale once, twice, sometimes 3 times, because a lot of times our leafy greens in our grocery stores, and especially if we're buying it from local as well, they're a little gritty. I always ask the question, is the bowl full yet? Not quite. Where we really want to have a lot of kale in our bowl, because we're going to start massaging this kale with some of the dressing. This is going to tenderize the leaves of the kale. That we have finished massaging our kale, it is time to add our other ingredients. You might prefer any onion, your green onions. I'm choosing today to use red onions, and just probably a 1/4 of a cup that I'm going to put nicely thin red onions. We're going to put about a half a cup of our slivered almonds. These can also be toasted. And in addition is our craisins, about a 1/4 of a cup of them as well. Again, we want to incorporate all of our ingredients. This is a great salad to make with the family because they really can get their hands into it. Mary's Amazing Salad dressing actually makes enough for 2 salads. Put it in your refrigerator for safekeeping for your next Mary's Amazing Kale Salad with friends and family. So just remember, Mary's Amazing Kale Salad is a great way to get your veggies in for the week. It can be a side salad. It can go to lunch with you at work. It's a wonderful family recipe that I think you will enjoy for years to come.